How about that? My long lost little buddy, Big Talk Tucker. how's Big Talk Tucker doing?
Good.
Pretty good? You ready to go fishing today?
Yeah.
On the big Lake Ouachita? You ready? You got the Lake Ouachita shirt on. How about that? What about some bananas? They'd be good for us, but they're bad luck in the boat. You know that, don't you? Never go fishing with a banana in your boat. You won't get a bite. There's 6 of them, so 1 for you and 5 for me. Is that correct? Can you do math? Finally landed on some kind of snack you like. That's a potato chip holder. There you go. Now! Are you even looking or are you pouring it? Oh, you're pretty much the worst ice pourer I've ever seen. I'm gonna give you a lesson before we get to where these fish are. Right here. Stop it right there every time. Put this finger.
I always start with 2, and then when I get to the rod,
You go to 1.
Yeah,
Right.
I know. I always start with 2 fingers, and then I go to 1 whenever.
And then hold.
Oh! I already had 1 finger. Or I thought I
Flip
had
the
2.
bail and reel it back up. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, flip your bail. Stop for a second. Don't do anything. Just let it go to the bottom. All right, don't do anything. Pull up on it a little bit and then reel a little bit. You want it to creep along the bottom like a snail. Get your line in your finger. Flip your bail. And draw back and whip it. And when you crest over, let go with your finger. Whip it. That's a Smithwick Rogue. That has probably caught more bass than probably any bait on this lake, because it looks like a little fish and those bass are after a shad. It looks like a shad and it dances around. And when you were jerking it, it rattles. You know, every time you jerk it. It's a lot of trial and error. You know what that is, don't you? Try again. There and reel. Jerk and reel. Those fish are swimming along out here looking for a snack, you know, like an Oreo. And that jerkbait is a snack for them.
Wait, didn't I accidentally let go?
Yeah, you accidentally let go of the rod and the reel. You remember that? Jerk, reel. Jerk, reel. All right. Hey! He got a bass! He got a bass on the jerkbait.
I still have it.
Turn the pole up in the air, please. Put up in there. Put up in there.
Come on.
Woo! Let me show you how to take it off. Always carry some needle nose pliers. You twist it like that and you won't hurt it. Nice bass there, Tucker.
Okay.
Grab him right here.